Hey Shiv, just one question.
Yeah.
When we used asterisk, so we placed asterisk like between two words, right? And we have given a space as well uh, before and
Yes.
after asterisk, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when I tried the string, the last string which I had messaged you, there I had put two like spaces before and after, like one space before and one space after the asterisk. I did not get the results, but when I deleted the first space after Java, I had put the asterisk and then space and then developer, then I had got the results.
Can you share the string once, please?
Screen, okay, just a minute.
String, I'm saying.
String, okay.
Reshare it. It's gone actually.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
We'll rerun the string.
So this one is giving the results.
Okay.
But if I give space between Java and asterisk, then I'm not getting the results.
So this one you're saying is giving the results.
Yeah.
Wherein when you give between Java and asterisk, it's not giving. Okay, so now let's take. So Java immediately star. What it's doing is, that's what I mentioned. Immediately with the particular keyword, it's kind of a working, but not working. Because now if you see, uh, so whatever the words immediately or just after, all those is coming in. So Java web developer, Java backend developer, Java application developer. So let's see, we just remove this in title and technically we give like this. You got the similar results. First you get 30.
Mhm.
So all the results, first word you have a Java, second word
Mm.
is replaced by that star. It could be full stack, it could be web, it could be J2EE, it could be backend, it could be anything. Okay, so this
Okay.
is syntactically working accurately. But as soon as we add in title, we're not getting it. So let's see now in title, when we add star like this, then again we started getting it. So that's the reason I just told. Whenever you're using asterisk, it's ideally, it's working sometimes, it's not working sometimes, along with the word. But syntactically, without in title, if you're using with the space, without any other additional operator. So star with an additional operator. So star, one operator we have is star itself is one operator and within the double quotes. So that's the second operator. So now we are adding a third operator, third command. So now it's getting confused. So it stopped giving.
Mm.
So maybe now a third command we're giving immediately Java and a star, it started working. So again, star with the word, in some cases, yes, in some cases, no. You need to
Yeah.
keep on trial and error. If it is working
Sure.
in space, well and good. If it is not working, remove the space and see if it's working well and good. So it's like that. The scenario is like that as of now. But in both the
Sure.
use cases, it's doing a job what it's supposed to be doing. Very good observation, Soumya.
Thank you.
So Sri gave in URL optimhire.com/client. So yeah, this is from Sri in URL optimhire.com/client/DB. And then UI developer or front end developer. That's nice. If maybe a spelling mistake. Front end or Will it work? I doubt. UI developer or front end? Or front end or FE or front end? Engineer तो अच्छा है. I'm trying to. Yeah, 11. Okay, UI and front end full stack.
See, when we use like syntax, we add one more syntax like phone verified. That will give you exactly good result. That also we can try, because from that profile, I have shared the link.
Phone verify, right?
Yeah. Because I just picked from their profile. We can see the profiles and we can play with it.
Yeah,
I have shared in the chat. You can go through this time.
sure. Hey, keep quiet, yeah. You wanna see? Okay, so UI developer, you got UI developer, or this is also good. We got front end developers, decent enough. So yeah, this is about this site. We all gave some of the good results. Site optim hire, client TP, phone verified. Yeah, you can use these also. People who would have verified their numbers.
Also, it is showing similar profile also, right? Like earlier, say LinkedIn used to show. We can browse that also, so we can
Yeah.
play the way we want based upon our need.
Now let's say this person is in 13 USD. Okay. So now maybe let's say our budget is little less and we need some of the profiles with 10 USD. So we just go, or just remove this 10 dot dot 10 dot dot 20. This 10 dot dot 20 star will use it again. Okay.
I think you have to remove the code. Remove the code because range operator won't take code, right?
Or maybe later on we'll cover one of our advanced operator called around, and we should be able to get it. So 10 dot dot, I think this is not X-rayable. Maybe this is a gray area. So in every web page, there are two sort of a text. One is a text, this kind of a text, which you can X-ray. And one other text is this one, which we can't X-ray. So let's say if we say immediate available, this kind of a text can be X-rayed. Or if we say, but otherwise these rates are the kind of a text which are not X-rayed. I'll cover this in a later session. But otherwise, if this is a part which can be X-rayed, then we would have also got the result by using 10 dot dot 20. But otherwise, let's say instead of R, we'll use, let's say 4 dot dot 8 and come back to the page. 10 years, 3 years, 5 years. Okay, so for the 4 dot dot 8, years. Java developer phone verified. Let's see first if this string itself is working. Rohit 7 years, 4 years. Maybe with Java developer and phone verified, we do not have a results. But yeah, string is kind of definitely working. So 4.20. So that's basically a number in search. 15 years, 4 years, anything. But anyways, let's go back. If that is not working, let's see some additional stuff. Total 10 years. Experience in each skill. Anyways, this is for this particular site. Any further doubts on this particular site for the OptimHire? First of all, we didn't knew about, okay, OptimHire, there is a site which is existing from where we can get the profiles, individual profiles. So how we came to the conclusion that we are going to get the profiles from this, we just ran a raw search. SAP within the quotes, SAP space star space developer, then close the quotes, space, open the bracket, ERP space or space SAP, close the bracket, and profile. Then we got some of the results. So we started suspecting some of the results which might show us individual profile results. And we ended up in this OptimHire. Then we tried understanding how does the URL pattern is looking like and what is the text over here it is looking like. And then by using a combination of it, like phone verified as Namrata shown, or preferred languages, English, you want some preferred languages in English, or maybe if you're sourcing for some of the Spanish or French locations. So let's say we can also use something like, okay, French, let's take this part, English conversational, English fluent. Instead of English fluent, we would say French. Okay, we got some of the results. So yeah, English fluent, French fluent. So English fluent, French fluent as it is. So in French, we need English people, native or bilingual. So in such kind of a European countries, sometimes we might face it difficult to find out English speaking candidates. So we give French fluent, and then additionally English also we can give. So we get French fluent and all. French fluent and all. So yeah, that's about this particular site. Now coming back, let's go for some other sites. So any doubts, any questions on this part on star asterisk, or now understanding the combination of URL pattern and a page pattern and building our search strings. Any further doubts? Yeah, Shravan. Shravan?
No, sir, not from my side. I'm happy we discover new site on the new year. Right.
Yeah.
This is our first
Even
prize,
adding,
and we
there are
discover.
lakhs of sites actually, we don't know.
Yeah.
That's where the
Yes.
image search is really important to explore those hidden sites. Maybe the
Yes.
about me also, such an awesome string. We got all individual profiles just by using in URL about -me. So
Yeah.
that's about this site. So let's go for the next site. Okay, this is again individual website. Kevin, about me. So about me, yeah, we just click on it. Okay, it's still buffering. So kevin.com/about me. So about me, we did explode. So let's close this. Zipia, a Zipia web developer. Fire Zipia web developer. Resume examples. No, we don't want examples. Let's close this. Okay, quick resumes. Robert Smith, an ABAP developer, advanced business will create a various SAP model with the help of ABAP. Resumes, resume sample, resume templates. I think this is a resume building site. We don't want this. So developer.sap.com /tutorial/community/profile.html developers.sap.com/tutorial/community/profile.html. Both are same. Okay, developers.sap.com/tutorial/abap-environment-developer-user. So here user, here profile. Here developer SAP developer.sap.com/developer/ okay, community peoples.sap. Wow, this is awesome. Let's open a couple of more profiles like this.
Yeah, I was also exploring the same site. It's a good one. I got it. Just now I got it.
So this one, this one.
Yeah, it's a very good site. Many, I think more than 1 lakh people are there.
Yeah, peoples.sap.com, first name dot last name, peoples.sap.com, first name dot last name. About content, company SAP UK Limited, connections, reputations, we have all the details about member since batch. Awesome. So just remove this site peoples.sap.com.
Yeah,
Additional
simple.
whatever details we need, we can enter. But otherwise, yeah, millions of profiles, all individual. Let's click on image.
What I have come across, every big company has their own this kind of people kind of
Directly.
sites,
Yeah,
place, right? IBM or any company, SAP or many company has that, Google and all. So that
yeah,
even Red Hat also has. So we can X-ray that way.
yeah. Directory basically. So we don't know what's a link to that and all, but how we come to know, once we do the image search, open some of the search results which are looking like resumes or which are looking like individual profiles by viewing their face, profile pics and all. And if you see here, all we can browse. And additional skills, we can always use it from here, whatever the ABAP or whatever we need. So this is developer.sap. Let's see what is developer.sap has it in place. Site is site tutorial. Okay, we'll use site and in URL user or profile we'll use. URL user or profile. We got a couple of users. Only now. Docs.microsoft or this GitHub. So this is different. Visit. So developer.sap/tutorial/community. How we get more people search. This is GitHub, but we don't want GitHub. Okay, let's see. Like developers.community/tutorial/. Okay, let's pick this. We have very limited actually. That's a SAP question and answer site, and very few people are there. Let's skip this. But otherwise, this is amazing. People.sap. And then additional skills we can always add. So yeah, it's people.sap here. Developer.sap, developer advocates. These are all some support examples, not individual profiles. Let's skip this. This we identified. Blog.sap. Okay, so here blogs.sap. Let's click here. People.sap. They are also from people.sap only. So maybe additionally installing SAP NetWeaver. Let's say if you want to identify NetWeaver or ABAP or WebDAN Progress who are actually answering the questions of people on those particular things, like installing SAP NetWeaver. He's helping people understand how do you go about installing, what will be covered in this first part, glossary and all everything. Now, if you want to directly hunt for a people who are actually doing that, then maybe blogs.sap. Part 1, SAP NetWeaver, SAP ABAP development. So Ramesh. This is again. So 2022, this is the date. Tax 2019. Okay, date pattern is year. So let's say we wanted someone who is responding in the year 2000. Or maybe you just get a bit technical, get understanding from your hiring managers. Doesn't. Otherwise, if we need someone who is answering from 2015, some of the questions, here we have it. Author's profile photo, Susan. So all these people has responded to some of the other questions in 2015. Images again. So maybe something related to NetWeaver, something related to WebDAN, related to any such technologies where people are responding to the questions, then maybe this could be one way. So that's about it. Freelancer. Okay. So freelancermap.com, freelancer-directory, freelancer-profile-IT, -serial number. What is it? Kaba, SAP developer. Okay. Profile. Okay. Then profile first name last name. So freelancer.com/freelancer-directory freelancer.com/. Okay. First folder freelancer directory, second folder freelancer profile, third folder IT profiles. So there might be a non-IT also. Fourth folder numeric, some serial number, then -profile -first name -last name -title SAP -developer -HANA SAP UI5 -ABAP -aus.html. Okay, aus.html is ending. That's basically a web page. Here, freelancermap.com/freelancer directory. Okay, just take this two. I'm sharing this and try to see if you can search some of the searches. create some of the searches using these two URLs, which could give individual profiles. So whoever were a part of a previous session, hope we have a very good understanding of in URL and site. So please use these two URL patterns and try to write some of the strings. Whoever not, no need to write, just take an understanding of it. So this third also I'll share it. Not available until, okay, availability is also there. Okay, available, not available until 31st March 2002. Bookmark profile, contact profile, keyword skills, project history. Contact form, nice. If we like the candidate, there's a form, contact form, then we can send, then this form would go to this candidate. Nice. So this site also, freelancer map, I was never aware. Negotiable rate. Sure. Only visible for registered member. Okay, fine. Yeah, anyways, please share the searches. Namrata must be thinking surprise पे surprise test हो रहा है आज. Yeah, Namrata.
Assuming you are starting new year with the surprise test.
No, this SourcingXPress is like that actually.
Okay. So
We're covering few
you
things.
have done just for every session or something
In every
like that,
session,
or every month after every topic.
No, in every session, in every topic, once the understanding is there, then there's a question.
And so you are finishing one topic, and after that you are taking this test, right? Because I have not attended completely the SourcingXPress, so I'm not aware of the pattern.
No. In this SourcingXPress, we are going with mostly with the question and answers, just to see how is the understanding, and it's actually perfectly amazing to my surprise. Yeah, Soumya, you can write down the string. Soumya, Prakash, Shri, Shravan, Tavana.
Yeah, just writing.
Where you give the test?
In chat window, I sent profile links
No,
of freelancermap.com for 3 candidates. Just take a look at take a look at the profile links. Try understanding the URL pattern, try understanding the page pattern, and build an Excel search.
Okay. Interesting. I love this.
Okay, so I just shared site freelancermap.com/freelancer directory /freelancer profile. Awesome, Ajas. And then within double quote.
Specific information, Shiv?
Thank you, Shiv.
Do we need to find some specific information or just in
Nothing. Just try understanding the URL pattern and the page pattern and see if it is giving the right results.
Okay.
Thanks, Shiv.
Give me 2 minutes.
Yes. Super awesome, Ajas. See all individual profiles. You got close to. Nice. So Soumya gave site freelancer.com/freelancer directory, first folder. After that, second folder, freelancer profiles /. Nice, Soumya. So we might get disconnected in another 10 minutes. Please relog in using same login details. Awesome. You can also give location also, Soumya.
Yeah, yes.
Java, Android, Kotlin. Nice. All Android, Java. If you click on image, again, you'll be able to see the results. Let's say in US or other countries, you wanted Indians. This is another way of searching. You do a normal search, X-ray search, click on image, and based on face and a name, you'll be able to get it. Instead of the complete results from here, instead of opening each and every result and trying to see Indian or which are the national locality people, just click on the images and you'll be able to see. So me being an Indian, I would be able to recognize, okay, these are kind of Indian faces. If you're from other countries, then just click on the images and you'll be able to see your native people there. One way of it. So sometimes I got to solve a problem statement using this image searches where we wanted to search UAE nationalities staying in USA. So we did some of the searches, X-ray searches, and then we clicked on images. Then we started getting people with that turban and a sharp nose and all everything. We just did some facial recognition part. How do you recognize a UAE-based people? And then we did some of the searches like that. And then names, the last names were more of Khali or something like that. And it was amazing, means it was pretty successful. Yeah, both the searches are correct. Let's see a couple of more searches. Prakash Selvakumar, freelancer.com, freelancer director, freelancing profile, Java, and a contact. Yeah, super good. All are amazing. Awesome. Namrata, site freelancer.com /freelancer directory, freelancer profile. That's a generic one to get all the profiles. Super good. Shravan, in URL freelancer.com /freelancer directory freelancer profile SAP SDMM app. Super good. Awesome.
I start with the generic one, and then after that, based upon the profile structure, I start creating another link.
And then that is the base one. After that, additionally keyword location, whatever you want.
Because then we can observe the profiles, and then we can think on how we can play with that, right?
Yes.
Because generic one is that create the foundation.
Yeah.
So
super good, Shravan. Okay, so we got these results also. Now let's move on to the next. br.milega.com. Kaun milega bhai? The kind of a jobs I like. No, this is for the jobs. So this is done. SAP developer. Okay, FIS-GHMB. No, it's asking me to do some settings. I will not close it. So blocks.sap, we explode. This done, this done. Quick resumes is basically a sample. Freelance map is done. Okay, so now this is the one. So now let's say another short way of identifying which are the other sites. So one is like we gave a search and then we clicked on images and we suspected some of the sites based on the images over here that these must be the sites which must be giving us individual profiles. So what is the additional way, the one step above it? How do you directly gunshot it? So let's go to tools. Then, so what you do, just give a first normal search. Then you come on image, click on image. After clicking on image, go to tools, then go to type. Now here you have all this, right? So let's say, let me just go to more, otherwise no. Type, no. GIF. Just a second. There is a setting. Let's go to all. Then image. Okay. First step, give a search, then image. Then here we have a setting. Then from setting, go to advanced search. And now from the advanced search, type of image. Now from here, pick face and advanced search. Now we got the other results are kind of a sites in which we can see some individual profiles and we can go and do the X-ray those sites. Most of the sites, most of the results we see from blocks.sap, Zoom Info, Accenture, Apna Blog, LinkedIn, Quora, Michael Magnet, blocks.sap, e-learning solutions, Wuzup, Quora. Quora could be the site, but I'm not going behind Quora. IBM, the way we did
What
for.
I do here,
Huh?
Shiv, what I do from here, like when you got any new link, right? Any new profile, and you want to see either we can X-ray this site or not, right?
Exactly.
Because we are not aware we'll get profile or not.
So
So
let's
what
say
I
we
do,
are
I
not
just
aware
click
of which
any.
sites are working for that particular skills or location where we have individual profiles other than LinkedIn. So we just took this approach. So let's say another approach we'll take. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. All right, then we click on image. So we got a lot of images, but we do not get individual profiles or faces other than LinkedIn and all. So we might get mix of results. So let's say now we need HTML, CSS, JavaScript with the profile pics, with the faces. So after clicking on the image, we click on settings, advanced search. Then here we go, what type of an image? Any type or just the face type? So I would say face. Now we got some of
Rather
the.
than taking this, Shiv, I would like to add here, rather than going this to longer route, we can just go to Google image search, right? Link Google image, and there directly we can put all the image will come, rather than going to tools and advanced search and all.
So basically this is for going for a, see some of the sites we might not know, like free code, okay, or super professor. So let's say we just give the same search all and we just went to image. So here we get the list of result which has a profile pics, which has a documents, which has a PDF files, everything which has. So we have a books, we have a trainings, we have everything here. So first approach what we took was that is something what you are suggesting. Just go to image and try to pick some of the results where you see the individual profiles. That's the first approach which we covered. A second approach, in case if you want to directly see some of the results where most of the results are with the individual faces or only faces, then after clicking on image, click on setting, advanced search. What type of image? You want face, you want photo. Let's say face. Let's say if you're searching for some of the presentations, then line drawing, clip art, kind of a stuff you can pick up. Some of the PPTs, you can pick up animated clip art or something like that. So let's say face in this.
Yeah, for animation and all, right? We can pick that animation and all. We are looking for something. Game developer or something.
Absolutely. So type of image, we have a face, we have photo, we have clip art, we have line drawing, we have animated. So if you select face, you would get a list of results which has that profile pics. Then I know super professor. So I'll just go behind this again, super professor. Super professor, Facebook, CSS tricks, tenor.